everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Makeup by Mackenzie, and I am Mackenzie, obviously. So today, we're going to be opening up my August Ipsy bag. So, that's going to be exciting. I also have a product that I was supposed to talk about in last month's Ipsy bag that was from the month before that Ipsy bag, and I forgot because when my sister's here I get distracted pretty easily, so I'll be talking about it today. So if you missed that, it's gonna be in this video. So without any further ado, let's play with some makeup, shall we? So before I get started with the products in this month's bag, I need to talk about the ones from June and July because I missed the one from June. The one from June that I couldn't test on camera for you guys was the Formula 10.0.6 3 times Sublime 3-in-1 Blackhead Wash plus Scrub plus Mask. It's a mouthful. So basically what it's supposed to be is a multitasking mask that washes, exfoliates, and is like a clay mask almost that you put on and it dries and it removes, like, unclogs your pores and stuff like that. This to me was really interesting because you put it on basically like you would a regular clay mask. You put a thin layer over your face and then you let it dry. You let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes and then you wash it off. What's interesting is that it's got like particles in it that are meant to exfoliate your face. The particles in it feel a lot like what would come in a normal exfoliating scrub. But it's too thick to scrub and it starts to dry like a clay mask as you're putting it on. So you can't really scrub like an exfoliator. And I also didn't really feel like it was washing my face either. In terms of those two things, I don't really think it multitasked. And in terms of doing what a clay mask does, you know, I think it did what a normal clay mask does. My pores did look smaller afterwards, but you know, I have other clay masks that do the exact same thing. So, in terms of the 3-in-1 quality that this is selling, I didn't really buy it. The July Ipsy bag product that I couldn't try for you guys on camera was the Z Skin Acne Spot Treatment, and I kind of felt the same way about this that I felt about this. It didn't really do much. And so I used this one instead for a little while, and I don't think it really did anything. Sometimes with the Neutrogena one, I get results almost overnight or within a day or two. This one, didn't really see any results. I don't think it did anything bad. I didn't have more acne because of it, but I didn't necessarily see the same fast-acting results that I get with the Neutrogena one. Everyone's skin is different, so everyone's skin is going to react differently to these than my skin is. So for me, it didn't do anything. For some people, it may be worse. It may cause more acne, and for some people, it may work like a miracle. You know, you may have acne one day, and then it's gone the next after you use this. So, you know, it's one of those things that it just didn't work for me. Okay, so this Ipsy bag is pretty simple. Keep it simple, keep it cute, and unlike most Ipsy bags, it's the same color on both sides, so that's always nice, and it's got a little tassel zipper thing. It's not much to say about it, but also not much to dislike unless you hate orange for some reason. So, alright, let's talk about some of these products that are in here, right? So there's one that came outside the bag, which is this brush. Alright, that's what it looks like. It's really soft. It's definitely synthetic feeling. It's got this cute glitter handle and these little rhinestones here. And then it's got the name of the brand engraved right there. So let's see what Ipsy has to say about this brush. So this is from SLMiss Glam. SLMiss Glam? If I am pronouncing that wrong, let me know. But this is the Rose Gold Blusher Brush. Why you'll love it. It's not just for blush. Alright, good to know. The brush head makes it great for blending your highlighter, bronzer, and contour products too. The synthetic bristles are so soft and light, yet pick up powder pigments with ease. It's got a rose gold glitter handle, and the bristles have a hint of gold too, so it'll look so pretty in your brush jar. Brush with kindness. It's cruelty-free. So this is interesting because it's a blush brush. Now, I don't normally put my blush on with a brush that is this small. This is my normal blush brush. This is from e.l.f. And that's this brush. So clearly this is a lot smaller And it's not gonna cover most of my cheek, whereas when I use this, you know, it covers a pretty good area and helps you kind of blend everything out. I have a feeling this is going to be better for highlight or contour. Alright, so we've got Ciate London, and I've been wanting to try something from Ciate. It's their Glow 2 highlighter. So that's the package there, nice and metallic. This is the highlighter, and it looks like it's a little bit of like a pinky sort of champagne-y color. It looks actually quite a lot like my skin tone. In the shade Moondust. Let's go ahead and... Ooh, it's soft. Ooh. Ooh. That's really pretty. Okay. That's making a pretty good first impression. This shimmery highlighter is made with tiny sphere-shaped particles that capture and reflect light for out-of-this-world radiance. It's lightweight, silky smooth, very buildable, and blends like a dream. Everything we want in a highlighter. It's paraben-free, gluten-free, and vegan. Yep, all three. This is from Glamour Dolls. It's a lip gloss. Well, it's in like a popsicle-shaped little packaging here. The packaging is really, really cute. I don't know how you would store this. I mean, it's not super big, but you couldn't like put it in with all of your other lip glosses, you know, because it's kind of a different shape. But it's really cute, I have to say. It's very cute. So this is Glamour Dolls Sweet Treats Lip Gloss in Peach. Okay guys, this just might be the cutest lip gloss we've ever laid eyes on. Yep, that's pretty cute. It looks just like a delicious popsicle. The sheer peach shade will make your lips glisten, and unlike actual popsicles, it's not the least bit sticky. Alright, we'll have to check on that one. It's cruelty-free and vegan. But let's go ahead and swatch it. Aw, it's so cute! Looks kind of like a pacifier, to be honest. But, oh well. Okay, it's definitely sheer like they said it was. But it's a really cute shade. It's really pretty. It's definitely natural looking, for someone with my skin tone that is. But it's peach. It's got a gold reflect to it. So let's see, does it smell? Oh my gosh, it smells like peach candy. It kind of, so you remember those old lip glosses like lip smackers that had scents? That's what it smells like. This smells like lip smackers. Nostalgia. Right there, Lip Smackers lip gloss. So we have the Foiled Again eyeshadow from the Balm. Packaging's cute. It's got a lady superhero on here. So it looks like a taupey silver almost. Definitely shiny looking. This is the shade Locked Up, which makes sense if it's silver. Prison, metal bars, you know. Ooh, soft. That is silver. Wow. Okay, so it still does have kind of that taupey quality to it, but it's silver. It's not like a platinum silver though. It's more like a taupey silver. I mean, that's the only way I can describe it. That's a fun shade. I mean, I like me a silver eyeshadow lip. Let's be real. The Balm Cosmetics Foiled Again eyeshadow in Locked Up. How cute is this superhero packaging? It's pretty cute. And the shimmery shadow inside packs a powerful punch too. It's long-lasting, so shiny, and highly pigmented. The foiled effect gives it a naturally wet look, so it's sleek and shiny, but you can dampen your brush for even more intense effect. Locked Up is a pretty silvery lilac shade. Like all of the Balm products, it's cruelty-free. And then the last product in the box is from Hey Honey. It's the Takeaway Drama Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask. And it says it exfoliates to lift away impurities and drama, all skin types. That's what it looks like. Know how some peel-off masks can leave your skin feeling uncomfy and tight? Not this one. After we removed it, we felt soft, smooth, and so clean. The main ingredient, propolis. The main ingredient, propolis, is a resinous mixture honeybees make that helps fight acne, encourage cell growth, decongest pores, and heal damage. It was also one of It was also one of Queen Cleopatra's favorite skincare ingredients. Some history right there. Alpha hydroxy acids help exfoliate the skin surface and get rid of dirt, oils, and impurities. Worried about sensitive skin? This mask has low concentrations of AHAs, so it's gentle enough to use on all skin types. Okay, so this is obviously one that I can't test out on camera right now, but I will have a review of it for next month's video, so tune into that one for this. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to test out is the eyeshadow from the Balm. And so if I'm right about this and it's a taupey silvery color, I think that it will lend itself more to warmer looks than, say, a normal like platinum or gunmetal silver might. What I did was I put a kind of chocolatey brown. I used this brown from the Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow quad in the shade Stop Ruffling My Feathers. So this transition shade right here, that's what I used in the crease, and that's it. I'm gonna kind of let this eyeshadow shine for itself, but I wanted to see how it looked with more of a warmer brown in there. Just got some there. And we're just gonna, oh yeah, oh yes, that looks pretty awesome. So I think I was right, it does lend itself a little bit more to a warmer eye look. It's still cold, like it's not gonna go like tropical warm, but it's a little bit warmer than a platinum or a gunmetal silver. That's a really unique color, and I really dig it. And it's super pigmented, super soft, obviously super easy to apply. That took me 2 seconds. It's clearly a very nice quality eyeshadow. I'm gonna test out the brush using this first of all. See how the brush goes with a highlighter, because I do think this one's going to be a little bit more conducive to highlighting than it will be to blush, because it's just so small. But we're going to use the highlighter with this brush. Ooh, picked up quite a bit there. Oh geez, whoa, that is a pigmented highlighter. Whoa, and this brush is picking up a lot of it. It's picking it up really well. And it feels really soft, the brush. Feels very, very soft. It gives you a very wet, very dewy look. Like it almost looks like I'm sweating, but in the best way possible. Alright, so let's try above the brow bone here. Oh goodness, I put too much on my nose. Yeah, it's really easy to go a little too much with this. So, yeah, this got glowy real fast. Like, it went from 0 to 60 in terms of glow real quick. That's a pretty awesome highlighter. It's just, it's so pigmented. So, now we're going to move on to the lip gloss. Well, it's pigmented. I mean, it's sheer, obviously, but it's clearly got some color to it. Alright, so there's the lips. Well, this look is so glowy. They were right, it's not sticky at all. It's got a really nice, very natural looking wash of color on me. I certainly don't need any more glow in this look, but the shine is certainly really pretty on the lip gloss. It's a really cute lip gloss. I think that this color is super nice and it feels really nice. It doesn't feel like I've got a ton glopped on. Alright, so let me go through all of these. I'll start with the lip gloss since I'm already there. Yeah, the lip gloss smells really good. So if you don't really like, it does have a strong smell, like I can smell it right now as it's on my lips. So if you don't like strong smelling lip glosses, this is not for you. But it's super lightweight, it's super pretty on the lips, this is a great color, it doesn't feel sticky at all like they said it wouldn't, so overall this is a hit for me. I like this one, I'll probably use it again. The brush is great for highlighters, it picked up a lot of products, so I imagine it would do the same thing for bronzer, contour, for blush, and I think it would be a really nice, I think for blush it's not fluffy enough, it's not big enough. For bronzer, it's also not very big, but I think this would be great for highlighter and contour. It certainly worked really well for my highlighter today, so I think this is a hit for me as well. As to the highlighter itself, which is from Ciate, and it's in the shade Moondust, I love this color. It is super pretty, so pigmented, so shiny, like the glow is at 11 here. It's so pigmented that it's a little bit hard to work with. Or I would just use it on the lid or just in the inner corners and not on the entire face. That being said, it's very, very pretty, very, very dewy, summery. It's got that wet look. This is a hit for me. The last thing that I can review for you guys today is the eyeshadow, and I actually really like this eyeshadow. It's a very unique color. It's a taupey silver, which makes it a little bit more flexible. Then the quality of the eyeshadow is just really great. It's really smooth, very buttery, very pigmented, very shiny. It took 2 seconds to put it on and it looks great. So I think this is a hit of an eyeshadow, and I will be using this one again. It's very, very cool. This was a great bag. Wow. Like, everything in this bag was awesome. That's kind of a change from last month's, because last month there was a lot of things that just didn't, that I had some very strong feelings about. Honestly, I couldn't be happier with this bag. This was a hit this month. Like, August killed it. Let me know in the comment section below if you have tried any of these products, and let me know, did you like them? Did you hate them? Also, let me know if there's any videos you would like me to do in the future, because I want to do what you guys want to see, so let me know. As always, I will have all these products listed in the description box below for you guys to find. I will also have a link to my GoFundMe campaign. 100% of those proceeds go towards making this channel the best it possibly can be for you guys. So if you really like this channel and want to help me make it better, please consider donating to that campaign. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at MUBYMackenzie. And if you like this video, please give it a big old thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like it in the future. Alright, that's all I have for today. Remember, makeup has no rules. They're more like guidelines. So, you do you, boo-boo. Alright, see you next time, everyone. Like a pro. Alrighty. Next. Okay, enough looking at myself. And if you like this whew, excuse me.